in Python and why we use functions. Okay, so first I would like to show you, for example, if I would like to add anything a equal to 3, I'm just giving here 3 value to a variable named a, and there is another variable named b, and I'm just giving 2 for easy convenience, and I'm using this variable where I'm storing the result of a plus b, and then I'll print results. Okay, let me see. Now I'll run the program. Okay, so as you can see here, it gives me output 5, and as you know that it is correct. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Suppose I would like to add new number again, so then I have to write the program. I mean, I have to change this value and then rerun this program again. So the best way is we can write a simple function like def, and because we want to add, so we will give the name of the function is add. Okay, and now I'm not using. Okay, so here I'll give argument a and b. Okay, and I'll use another variable here, c a plus b, and I'll use print c. Okay, and if I want to use this function, so I have to call this function. The function name is add. So what I'll do, add, and I'll give any number, 2 plus 5 suppose, and then we'll see what will be the output. Okay, here as you can see the output is 7. Just to clear it more, I'll use here f string. I hope you know it. If you don't, you can check my other videos where I have mentioned in detail how to use string. So here the output of, okay, basically we'll write output of a and b. Okay, suppose, and we'll use this curly braces inside, and then okay, so then you can see it will show us that output of a and b is 7. You can use here a, so it will, there are multiple ways you can print something, and it helps you to understand what is the value of that particular variable. Okay, see, the output of a equal to b and b equal to 5 is 7. Okay, so a plus b. Okay. So now it will show you more appropriately that okay, a plus b equal to 7. The value of a is 2 and the value of b is 5. Okay, clear? So now if I would want to use different value to add, suppose here I would like to give 13 and then 10. So you don't need to write the program, you will just use this particular function and it will give you output very clearly, a plus b equal to 23. This is your output for second arguments, and this is the output of first arguments. I hope It helps you understand why we use functions. Okay, so in the next program, I'll try to explain about args and quarks because they are also part of functions. Thank you so much.